quiet. Good morning, everyone. We are now here to witness the anticipated and most awaited event, the culminating activity of 3 Aristotle.
Atumatong na silbato! Sinimulan ni Robert Boy! Ikinalat ni Isidro! Nasaan! 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 Andala! 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 Huwag kayong maingay! Huwag kayong kukurap! Dahil, andyan na sila! Sila!
Hello world! Hello session!
Hello judges! Hello everyone! Audience board!
And I'm Mercury!
And this is CCCC Chemistry Chica Shaka Shaka!
Good morning, Boy!
Good morning, Curie!
You know, Boy?
What, Curie?
I like your hair!
What is it, Curie?
It looks like a chicken!
Curie, this is what you call style, Curie! Another year has ended, Curie!
You're right, Boy!
So how's your year, Curie?
It's great, Boy! How about yours?
It's okay, Curie, but it's just, I'm still called a chicken!
Today, we will recall of all the lessons we have tackled in chemistry.
Yes, Curie, and now for our first news. Our very old friend Robert Paul introduced us the new gas law. This is it na! Now na!
Now na.
Irish chemist Robert Boyle investigated the relationship between the volume and pressure of gas.
Yes, Jessica, that's true. I have put successive amounts of mercury into a J-shaped tube. Then, I have deliberated analysis of my experiments led to the formulation of a moist law.
What you stated in his law?
The law states that a constant temperature, the volume of a gas is inversely proportional.
Thank you very much. I'm Jessica, back to the studio.
Nakakatawa ka, Jessica. Thank you again for your report.
Ouch, Boy! Sinisira mo ang voice ko!
I'm sorry, Curie.
And now, we will go to our sample of the day. And our question for today is...
Are you still going to study here in Southeastern College next year?
A, yes, of course, I love Southeastern College. Or B, no, I'm tired of being
Text A and send to 1111.
And text B and send to 2222.
And let's have our very short break, Yuri. This is it na. Wag kang kukura. Hot na hot. Eto na. Ay, now na.
No.
Bakit sa inyo?
Ha?
Anong saganda sa kanila sa inyo?
Saan nila? Kasi sa amin comedy lang lahat.
Kinakabayan sa akin. Sa amin.
Alhan? Ali po ba? Hadhad? Mahirap yan. Inapahiran ng Chemstel. Because it simply removes the itchiness. Kaya, pahit na. Brought to you by Sexy Liver. Chemstel!
We're now back again to CCCC.
For our second news, carbon has been known to man since immemorial time. Here's the exclusive report. Video repost. The uses of carbon is so vast and varied that to think the regular human life without the presence of carbon is next to impossible.
That's right. We all know that carbon is the sixth of the most abundant element found in the universe, and it is known in its various purposes in life and uses in our everyday life. And we know that carbon in today's world can be used in different kinds of products.
Thank you very much. I'm Jessica, back to the studio. Thank you, Jessica. Ouch, boys! Sinisira mo na naman ang boys ko.
I'm sorry again, Curie.
And now, we will go to the result of our temple of the day. Oh my God, boys!
What is it, Curie?
It's B! No! I'm tired of being independent. It got 50.9% of textbooks. So what's your reaction about that, boy? Ano ko sa'yo, boy?
At dito na po nagtatapos ang mga chikang chemistry.
Chemistry news bukas!
Ngayong lahat ang broadcast, ito ang CCCC, Chemistry Chika, Chaka. Thank you all.
Tama. Hoy!
Good morning, everyone. We are gathered here to... We are here in this convention to discuss our contribution in chemistry. And as the father of modern chemistry, I'm Antoine Baswa. I will be your chief spokesperson for today. May I have your attention, please? The people of the periodic table of elements. We have John Dalton. Next, Jacob Berzelius. Joanna Brenner. John Bertois. John Roland. Julius Lautermeyer. Dimitri Mendeleev. The persons of the kinetic molecular
Benji, hindi ka na umuwi.
Rudolph Julius Emmanuel Ignatius. James Jones. Ludwig Boltzmann. Present. James Clark Maxwell. Present. The people of Gastos. Robert Boyle. Present. Jack Charles. Present. Kay Lusa. Present. Amadeo Sandro. Alive. Gilbert Louis. Joseph Kraus. Steve here. And now here's Raphael start for Dan Dado.
Hi, I'm John Dalton. In 1808, I list the name of elements according to their atomic weight.
Hi there, I'm Jacob Berzelius, and I modify the work of John Dalton, published an atomic and periodic table of elements according to their atomic weights.
I am Johan Dubriner, a German chemist. I analyze the existing elements and classify them into 3 groups called triads.
Hi, Richard Kortzwa. I have grouped the elements in a spiral form and divided by a vertical line.
My name is John Muller. In 1864, I arranged the elements according to increasing weight and weight and formed the law of planes.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Julius Lothar Mayer. Tonight, in 1869, I arranged the elements according to their increasing atomic.
Hi, I'm Dimitri Mendel. I am dead right now, you know. In 1869, I arranged the elements in increasing atomic mass, leaving a number of gas.
The first genetic molecular theory. Hello, everyone. I'm August Carbroni. I am a German physicist, mathematician who published an account of the kinetic theory. I'm Rudolph Julius Emmanuel Clausius. I made the science and studied the thermodynamics.
I'm Ludwig Edward Boltzmann. I'm an Austrian physicist who is famous for the findings and the contributions for the 2 fields of statistical mechanics and thermodynamics.
Hi, I'm James Clark Maxwell. I am a Scottish aeronautical physicist and mathematician. I made the most important electronegativity theory.
May record na.
Yung pala hindi, no?
Joseph Ross is my name, and I am certain that a compound, no matter how much you prepare or where it came from, it always contains the same elements in the same proportion.
Next, the person behind the gas laws.
Hi, I am Robert Boyd. In 1662, I investigated the relationship between the volume and the pressure of air by pouring successive amounts of mercury into J-shaped tube, which led to the formulation of Boyd's law.
Hi, I am Jacques Charles. I am a French physicist who is pioneer in non-pairing formulator of Charles' law. This law states that the volume of a given amount of gas at a constant pressure is directly proportional to its absolute or Kelvin, or temperature, or the ratio of volume to temperature is constant. Thank you.
Hi, Joseph Louis Gay-Lussac. I am a French chemist and a physicist. I am mostly known for 2 laws related to gases and for my work on alcohol and water crystals.
Hi, I am Amadeo Bogano. I explained the difference in the concept of alcohol.
Hi, I'm Gilbert Louis. I had a different strategy or way to combine elements, which is called Culminating.
And these are the person behind chemistry.
before you end the segment, let me introduce myself. I am Isidro Bautista Quijano. I am the chemistry teacher of all third-year students here in Southeastern College. Thank you.
Maria Curie.
Marie Curie, bro. Marina Serena Curista.
La mesa periódico ng elemento.
Periodic table of elements, bro.
Tugdog na lamesa dati elementary school.
Samahan ng mga tao umahanga sa artista. Fans club, bro. Super fanatic sa Inigo Jazz Club. Isidro Quijano Jr., bro.
Isidro Quijano for short. IQ diaper!
Abroad. Ang ambidot. Scientific calculator, bro.
Scientific, anemic, antibiotic, expermic, endothermic, calculator, generator! Thank you!
Sige, ikaw na. Please, oh. Para makita nila. Please.
also known as Judy Grannies. Next is carbonated drinks. In this experiment, we are about to use Coca-Cola. And from the laboratories of Aristotle, we have here the longest cheese, De La Cruz, and also known as the egg of Macara, Macara egg.
We have here carbonated drinks.
Drinks. Ang dami ah.
You see how a volcanic eruption occurs.
The rabbit and imitation of volcanic reaction. Do you know that chemical reaction, when two molecules combine each other, they produce a reaction, like I said, chemical reaction. Of course, they may make another compound and another thing that can help us in our daily lives. Again, this is Kuya Kim. Magaling maano, this is Mutang Lawin.
Utang lang.
Welcome to the show. Today, we're making elements float. To start, kailangan may elements ng boron. You're gonna like this. Thumbs up, please. Next, element. Ikalat ng mabuti. Manganese, make sure walang bulak. And crush polonium. Easy, diba? Sarap. Don't go away, we'll be right back.
Ikaw naman.
Nangangalay.
30 minutes na.
Sosyal! Pasosyal!
Action!
Oh my God! So hot in here and perspiring! Yeah! Yeah, where are you? Can you stir this chemical for me? It's so hot! My God! Thanks!
Ganito ang pasosyal sa loob ng loob.
Oh my God! Init! Oh my! I'm sweaty! Yeah! Yeah! Can you halo this for me?
Ganito ang pasosyal sa loob ng loob.
Ang init, pare! Mahal ka ng anong mabilisan!
Ganito ang sosyal kapag magre-research ng assignment.
Yeah, hurry up! Can you get my laptop? I just do some research. Okay. Thanks, love ya. Social!
Ganito ang pasosyal kapag magre-research ng assignment.
Mami! Can I have 10 pesos? You know, some FB and research.
Ganito ang pasosyal kapag magre-research ng assignment.
Nay, dali nga! Pahingi ng pera, pandota lang dali. Mga ganun!
Ganito ang sosyal kapag natapos ang chemical sa loob ng loob.
Oh my God! Yeah! Tissue! You get it! Okay, thank you. Go away.
Ganito ang pasosyal kapag natapos ang element sa loob ng loob.
Oh my God! Ew! Ew! Janitress! Janitress! Pipo! Pipo!
Ganito ang pasosyal kapag natapos ang chemical sa loob ng loob.
Uy! Walang tao, mapunasok na!
Ganito ang sosyal kapag dadating na si Cersei.
Hey classmates! Cersei is here! Keep quiet!
Ganito ang pasosyal kapag dadating na si Cersei.
Oh! Cersei is coming! Come on classmates! Let's greet!
Ganito ang pasosyal kapag dadating na si Cersei.
Uy! Uy! Si Cersei, nandiyan na dali!
Hey! There's an airplane! Yeah! Hello!
Ganito ang pasosyal kapag may dumaraang aeroplano.
Uy! Helicopter! Yeah! Ay! Eto! Sorry!
Ganito ang pasosyal kapag may dumaraan na aeroplano.
Uy! Ang kami!
Ganito ang sosyal kapag maglalaro ng cola, vinegar, mentos, ice. Cola, 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 vinegar, vinegar, mentos, mentos, ice, ice, ice. Ganito ang pasosyal kapag maglalaro ng cola, mentos, vinegar, ice. Cola, 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 vinegar, 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 mentos, mentos, Cola, 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 vinegar. Ganito, mga sosyal, kapag pupunta ng CR.
Sir! Can I go to the washroom? I will just urinate. Thank you, sir. Social!
Ganito, ang pasyal, kapag pupunta ng
Sir, can I go to the bathroom? I'm just jiggling.
Ganito, Ganito ang sasya kapag uuwi anak.
Just one more dash and I'll go home na.
Ganito ang pasasya kapag uuwi anak.
Everly, pengen ng powder kasi uwi na ako.
Ganito ang pasasya kapag uuwi anak.
Uy, Jessica! Hindi na ako magpa-powder. Uwi na!
Hindi na kailangan.
Okay.
Sosyal!
Pasosyal!
Pasyon!
The generic name. By interested.
Oh! Ingat!
Ang generic name,
Paracetamol.
Solium. Ang generic name,
Carbosystem.
Alaksan.
Promo na bitawan!
Generic name, ang pondo. May generic name ba?
Meron!
Wait lang, wait lang.
Kamoy!
Para di buntisin!
Ay, hindi ko na
ba? Baho mo eh.
Becky, ka ba?
Oo!
Ako na naman!
Sabi kasi, tama na yung bibig eh. Uy! Nag-STC ka ba? Oo, bakit? Nag-South team ako eh.
Knock knock for the day! Knock knock!
Video ako pa.
Curie! Ay, Curie! Dahil pala tayo ulit yun,
Yes,
Curie!
boy! Meron tayong exclusive report.
Ano ka ulit yun, Curie?
Ano po na know from 3 Aristotle daw.
Ganun ba, Curie?
Yes, let's watch it na lang.
Okay!
For editing is, we would like to thank Joy for being our advisor and to the morals for the training us. Next, to Ma'am Dimple, who's also the former advisor of this section and been a lot at teacher for me. Thank you for being supportive in all activities that Aristotle does. And we will want this kind of content. We will give this, bibigay po namin sa inyo yung gratitude. Bibigay namin yung gratitude kasi nandyan kayo always for us. Na hindi kayo nawawala in times na wala kami, na may kailangan kayo. Thank you for that. And sa judges, we would like to thank you all. Thank you po sa time and sa time na binigay niyo towards your culminating activity. We really appreciate yung presence na dito sa event na to. Thank you so much.
Papasalamatan po namin lahat ng audience namin. And thank you very much for watching. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. First, would like to offer our sincerest gratitude to Mr.
We not just thank you for this culminating event, but also for all those memories that we had together. Thank you for all the smiles you have put in our faces every time you enter this classroom. We will miss you, sir. We love you, sir. Isidro Bautista Quijano Jr.
And for our finale, kasi ba kanina puro lang tayo tawa ng tawa. Ngayon, we would like to offer Sir Sid a very special song.
Anong tawa? Stuck there, miss pa.
We will celebrate. 1, 2, 3, go!
Advance happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Advance happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Advance!
Wait, ano?
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Sir Steve Advance! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Sir
Ano? Meron pa ba? Wala. Ano? Hindi.
Thank you for watching our culminating activity.
Wala, nakakaya. Since hanggang 11 pa naman tayo. Anyway. Nakakaya because may mga judges at saka mga ano, pero kunwari, wala sila. But first and foremost, I would like to commend you for being, for staying here for 5 years. At last, I met, siguro, pinaka-active, pinaka-magaling so far na mga na section. I'm always searching and looking forward na makahawak ng ganitong section. And naranasan ko din yun dito sa Southeastern College because of your section. How I wish, as you go along your way, once you enter 4th year, ipagpatuloy pa rin yung kung sino kayo, kung ano yung mga natutunan nyo usually in this. Not just only in chemistry or in the subject area, but rather, your experiences will help you and will guide you who you will be in the near future. Always remember lang talaga because this is always what I'm imparting to students once they go along their way. Sana lang talaga walang masyadong nakakalimot. Yun lang. Even though we are far from each other na, always remember that our presence is not just only in our mind, but always in here. Tanda ninyo yan. And I've learned a lot from you in your group, from your group. Kung tutusin, it's somewhat a cliche on my part, because, on your part, because lagi ko na lang inuulit ko. Oftentimes, I always value you much than of my advisory students. They know, you know of that talaga. Hindi ko alam because sa totoo, kampante ako sa mga tao na mga magagaling at saka mga napaka-vocal. And you are not. Keep it out, Aristotle. Ay, wait lang. Baka for Rizal na yan. Kung walang aalis. Because you're tired of being eventless na di ba?
Okay na, magtataga na lang.
Sakit? Anything else? Wala na siguro mga hihigit pa. Basta marami pa kayong pagdadaanan pagdating ng 4th year. Sana hindi kayo magbubuwag ng kahit sino man or isang tao man lang. Tandaan niyo yan. Okay? As long as you are in the right track, go for it. Ito lang, last na wish. Sana talaga walang magbabago. Walang, kahit na hindi ko na kayo hawak. This will be the last time kasi na magkakasama tayo naman. Sana lang, pagdating nyo ng 4th year, instill in your minds the friendship and, ayan, yun, unang-una, yung pagiging, palakaibigan. Sana walang makakalimot. Sana kahit na magkabanggaan tayo dyan sa baba, still, nandun pa rin yun. Okay? Aristotle, let me congratulate you for a job well done, for an excellent person. You prove that you are worthy to such title. Okay? Tandaan niyo yan. Okay? Later po yung awarding of winners. Baka sa practice na. Kasi doon yung last na. Okay? Kahit na hindi na kayo masyadong makapunta, basta may representative na. Much better. I guess, gutom na mga judges natin. Thank you talaga, guys.